Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change voice on in Waze navigation app. Now if you want to change the voice on Waze navigation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to change the voice on Waze navigation app, you need to simply open Waze navigation app on device. So if you have not installed the app, you need to simply install it from Play Store or App Store on device. So after that, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on the device. So after that, click on the option of Waze app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Waze app, where you'll see the option like home, work, and other option on the bottom. If you scroll up, and you'll also see various option on the upper taskbar. So to change the voice, you need to click on the three straight lines at the very top left, and here you'll see option like planner drive, inbox, settings, and also you need to simply click on the option of settings. So under settings, you'll see the option like general, map display, voice and sound. So click on the option of voice and sound, and here you'll see the option of sound off, alerts only, on and all. So you may click on the option of Waze voice, and here you'll see various options of the voice. So you may choose the option which you think is good for you. So I'll currently keep as 90s pop star. So if there is any recommendation or any tone or something like this, then you'll be able to hear it on same voice. So here option of various voice, so you may also change it on Spanish, a French voice, Chinese, and you need to scroll down and you'll see the option which are here. So that's it. That's how you can change voice on Waze navigation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.